What's up? Today we're diving into the wild world of meme coins, but not in the way you think. We're not going to talk about trading meme coins, and I'll explain why in just a second. Instead, I'm going to show you the strategy that smart money uses launching, deving your own meme coins. This strategy has made me over $2 million in 2025. And today, just for the love of the game, basically, I'm going to share it with you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to launch a viral coin. You'll see the step-by-step process, and I'll also show you actual results. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why we're not going to discuss trading meme coins. The harsh reality, guys, is that meme coin trading is extremely risky and competitive. You're competing against bots that execute trades in milliseconds. You're competing against whales. You're competing against copy traders. It's getting really hard. Even if you pick a winner, timing the exit is nearly impossible. The house always wins, and retail traders usually wrecked. But here's the thing. Instead of being the customers, we're gonna be the house today. We're gonna launch our own meme coin and stack the odds in our favor. Here's a strategy in a nutshell. Picking a viral, worthy concept, creating the token in Solana, launching on Medium with the initial liquidity, marketing aggressively in the first 24 hours, managing the community, and then we exit strategically. And with Bitcoin this high, it's the perfect time to get into meme coins launching. So, like I said, I will show you the entire meme coin deving blueprint for free. So, why even dev? As I explained, there's no downside. It's the best method for the smaller capital. So, for example, if you have $100, $200, $500 aside, it's the best way to get into meme coins. And of course, it's unsaturated. Not a lot of people launch their own coins. Everyone is just focused on meme coin trading. So, guys, what's the best launchpad or the best platform basically to launch your meme coin? So, what I've been using these last couple of months is mintrush.fun. I am not affiliated with them. I just really like this platform and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me just show you how it looks like. Here it is. So first, when you're on the platform, don't forget to connect your wallet to it, or else it's not going to work. So I'm just going to show you around the website. Here you can create your own tokens with your own name, description, decimals, your own logo. But what I really like about this platform is the ability to copy trending coins from Pump.Fun. It's really a game changer because with the help of one click, you can copy a coin that has been trending these last couple of hours on Pump.Fun, which gives you a big edge over other launchers, over other devers, guys. So as you can see here, we got a whole list of meme coins here. And by the way, when you launch your coin on mintrush, it doesn't get launched on Pump.Fun or Bong.Fun. And why, guys, basically is because when you launch a coin on Pump.Fun, there's too much competition. There's too many coins getting listed in the second, and the chance of your coin being going actually viral is really slim. Whereas when you're using Mintrush, you're actually launching your coin on Radium. Radium, it gives you more room for growth because there's way less competition, way less volume on this decentralized exchange. So here, guys, I'm going to show you the process. So for example, if I wanted to copy this coin here, this one, Slay Jump, I would just click on Create Coin here. Just put my password. So no worries about this message. It's standard. I'm going to show you the entire process throughout the video without any cuts, so you can see everything that is going on. No worries. You can proceed anyway safely. You can confirm. Wait a little bit for your coin to get created. It's getting created on the blockchain right now. Just gotta wait a little bit. And boom, guys, your token has been successfully created. So that's your token address here, basically. You can view it on the Explorer. You can view it on SoulScan. Yeah, just to make sure that everything is in check. But then, guys, the next step would actually be creating your liquidity pool. So to do so, you would just click on the button here. So here, guys, what you would do would just, when you're on the Manage Liquidity menu, you would just search for your coin. So we created the Slay Jump coin here. So here, guys, you will put around, let's say 0.5 or 0.4 for the sake of the video. I'm gonna put in 0.05 SOL. Here you will put around 90% of the supply, so around 900 million tokens. Just make sure it's actually 900 million and not 90 million or 9 billion, or else it's not gonna work. Then, guys, you just click on Add Liquidity here. So that's the transaction again. No worries. This is a standard procedure. You can just continue. You can proceed anyway. Yep. And then, guys, when you're going to click on confirm, it's basically going to create your liquidity pool. So you can just confirm. Then, guys, our liquidity pool has been successfully created. So now what you would do, you would just click on the refresh button here until your liquidity pool shows up in the menu. So if it's your first time using the platform, it would take about 5 to 10 minutes to appear. So no stress, just click on refresh and check again until your liquidity pool appears. So that's what we're going to do. So after refreshing a couple of times here, the liquidity pool. So that's how it looks like. That's our token Slay. So we're already $42 in profit. So now, guys, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna wait for a couple of hours for the coin to actually get pushed on the trading platforms and on Dex Screener. So people, traders are actually gonna start seeing our coin, or they're gonna actually start buying into our coin. And then, guys, after a couple of hours, I'm actually going to show you the final results. Stay tuned. Wow, guys. So that's the results after a couple of hours, which is absolutely insane. Wow, guys. I would never expect the coin to go that high. Wow, it's absolutely crazy. So now, guys, to show you that it's actually legit, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the liquidity removal transaction to show you that, yeah, if I want to remove the liquidity pool, I'd actually get 1,300 sold back in my wallet. So let me show you. Just click 100%. So look, guys, if I decide to remove the liquidity pool right now, I would receive exactly that amount of SOL in the liquidity pool, just to show you that this is legit. So basically, we went from 0.2, 0.3 SOL to 1,200 SOL in a couple of hours. Guys, it's absolutely crazy. And with Solana reaching all-time highs right now, with Bitcoin reaching all-time highs, it's the perfect time to get into this thing, guys.